brought to you by Gitanjali Salon, Channi Himmat, Jammu. Follow Ruchika Makeovers on Facebook and Instagram for best bridal makeup in town.
Hello viewers, you're watching Jammu Links News. I am Mannat Gupta and welcome to the daily updates of Midday News. Let's begin. A young couple and their 3 minor children are feared dead after an accident as the car they were travelling in has been missing since Tuesday, while dead body of the man was found lying in Kaghote Nala near bridge under the jurisdiction of Ramnagar police station. Even as local police along with SDRF has launched a massive operation to locate the bodies, no success has been achieved. The operation resumed today morning for search of other bodies which might have washed away to distant areas as the Nala was overflowing. With the highest single-day spike of 45,720 cases, India's coronavirus count crossed 12 lakh mark on Thursday. The Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare informed that 1,129 deaths were recorded in the last 24 hours. The total number of coronavirus cases stand at 12,38,635, including 4,26,167 active cases, 7,82,606 cured or discharged or migrated. The cumulative toll has reached 29,861 deaths. Jammu and Kashmir on Wednesday recorded 453 new coronavirus cases which pushed its infection count to 15,711, while 10 fresh fatalities raised the death toll to 273. While 101 of these new cases were from the Jammu region, 352 were from the Kashmir. There are now 6,831 active cases in the Union Territory, while 8,607 patients have recovered from the infection. The Jammu and Kashmir administration has evacuated over 2.99 lakh Union Territory residents who were stranded in various parts of the country due to COVID-19 crisis. As per the official data, the administration has received 91 special trains at Jammu and Udhampur railway stations from different states and UTs so far, with about 76,357 passengers, while about 1,73,222 persons from other states and UTs, including 899 from abroad, have been evacuated by the government through Lakhanpur till date. Pakistan Army continued its ceasefire violation on Wednesday evening by resorting to heavy firing and mortar shelling on forward areas along the line of control in Kirni and Kasba sectors of Poonch district, prompting the Indian Army to retaliate befittingly. Pakistani troops on Tuesday had shelled forward areas along the LOC in Sundarbani sector of Rajouri district. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh on Wednesday inaugurated 6 road and irrigation projects in district Riyasi. These projects would increase connectivity in the interior difficult areas of the district and provide irrigation facilities to large areas at distant locations. Deputy Commissioner Riyasi Indu Kanwalchib also gave the minister an update on the issues related to Bund toll tax. She informed him that as per his instructions, she has scheduled a meeting to start the process of addressing these issues. Divisional Commissioner Kashmir Pandurang K. Pol on Wednesday conducted an extensive tour of Srinagar city to take stock of availability of parking spaces and proposed road widening in various areas. The Divisional Commissioner instructed all concerned to start work as per the directions promptly, besides taking detailed review of directions also passed during earlier city visits. The J&K unit of the BJP has decided to celebrate the first anniversary of abrogation of Article 370 and bifurcation of the erstwhile state of J&K into 2 union territories in a big way. The 15-day celebrations will be held from August 5th to 20th, and during this period the party will organize various programs across the UT of J&K and Ladakh.
ये पार्लियामेंट के चलते इसको ख़त्म किया। 5 अगस्त 2020 को इस फैसले के हुए लगभग 1 साल हो जाएगा और इस साल को मनाने के लिए, इस खुशी को मनाने के लिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी जम्मू कश्मीर इसको एक पर्व के रूप में मना रही है।
Divisional Commissioner Kashmir PK Pol chaired a meeting of National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Government of India to review the process of alignment and project details of Z Mode and Zojila tunnels, including their approach roads on NH1 Srinagar Leh section. The meeting was informed that the scheduled date of completion of 6.5 km Z Mode tunnel approach roads and bridges include 2 major bridges and 1 minor bridge would be December 21st, 2023. Mahant Dipendra Giri, the custodian of the Holy Mace of Lord Shiva, on Wednesday supported the decision of the Sri Amarnath Shrine Board to cancel the year's pilgrimage to the cave shrine in South Kashmir Himalayas. The SASB on Tuesday had decided to cancel this year's pilgrimage to the 3,880-meter high cave shrine in South Kashmir Himalayas in the wake of the closure of religious places in Jammu and Kashmir due to COVID-19 pandemic.
परंतु यदि आज के परिप्रेक्ष्य में और इस कोरोना महामारी के परिप्रेक्ष्य में यदि हम इस निर्णय की विवेचना करेंगे, इस निर्णय को हम देखेंगे, तो हम पाएंगे कि ये संभवतः एक ठीक निर्णय था।
Principal Secretary School Education and Skill Development Department Dr. Asghar Hassan Samoon distributed 6 wheelchairs, 7 CP scans, 9 hearing aids, 6 MSIED units and tricycle among specially abled children during a function organized by the Department of Education, Budgam. Dr. Samoon said classes are also conducted for specially abled children through TV and radio mode, where trained tutors are delivering e-lectures around the clock. In view of the ensuing Eid ul-Adha festival, the Divisional Commissioner Kashmir Pandurang K. Pol has said that the markets shall remain open for 3 days from July 28th to July 30th to facilitate hassle-free purchase of sacrificial animals and other necessary items. The Divisional Commissioner said this while chairing a meeting to review Eid arrangements. He also directed all DCs of Kashmir to establish sale centers where people can purchase the sacrificial animals with proper COVID-19 protocol. A terror module of Jaish-e-Mohammed busted and arrested 3 associates in Budgam on Wednesday. According to the Budgam police, Indian Army's 50 Rashtra Rifles and 29 BN CRPF arrested 3 terror associates from Chadura area during patrolling at the checkpoint. The police have recovered incriminating material including 40 rounds of AK-47, 2 detonators and 3 JEM matrix sheets.